There's no love to be found. My body hides from my body.
Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to Trade Facts YouTube channel. In our last video, we talked about positional trading strategy. Thanks to those who watched our video and supported by liking, commenting and subscribing. Okay, so today let's see yet another strategy which is derived for intraday. Let us go into the strategy. Okay, for this strategy we are going to load one website initially, that is charting.com. In this charting.com we are going to create a scanner which is going to select us for the stocks for bullish intraday stocks and bearish intraday stocks. Let's see how we are going to select the stocks for intraday. If you see in this charting.com, under screeners there is a button called create scan. Click that. Okay, once this create scan page is loaded, click on this plus symbol. Here you have to select open, then in the next option you have to select equals and next high, and in this filter from the drop down select Nifty 50. So let me explain what this rule means. In this I have created a rule called whatever stock which are coming under Nifty 50 index, the open for the current day should be equal to high. Let us run the scan. See friends, okay, so we have got the result for this scan. These are the stocks. So one by one we will visit this stock and see which stock is suitable for our intraday. Okay friends, so this is the first stock from our scanner list, Power Grid, right? So we have to select 15 minutes chart and see whether the open level has been breached. In this chart, if you are able to see, the open has been breached and a new high has been formed. So we will ignore this stock. Next in our list is Dr. Reddy's. So here we have got Dr. Reddy's chart in 15 minutes time frame. Okay, let us see the opening candle. This is the opening candle, and again the open has been breached and a new high has been formed before dropping to a new low. So this stock also will not be suitable for our intraday strategy. We will move on to next stock. In our list, the next stock is Divi's Laboratories. Okay, so this is the third stock from our list. Let us see the opening candle. This is the opening candle. As you see, again the open level has been breached and a new high has been formed. So we will ignore this stock as well. Don't worry about ignoring the stocks which are coming into our scan list, because the more we filter and the lesser stocks we get, it will be good for us to concentrate on those stocks for intraday. Next in our list is Bharti Airtel. Let us see the opening candle for the day. Okay, so this is the opening candle. If you see, the open level has not been breached and it has maintained the same level. So this is a perfect match for us for our open equal to high criteria, right? So we will select this stock. Let us see how we can do an intraday trading using this stock. Okay, so first of all, after selecting our stock, we need to mark the high and low of our first 15 minutes candle. So here we have marked our first 15 minutes candles high and low. Now we will switch over to 5 minutes time frame. Here I am going to load one indicator called VWAP. Right, no need to change any settings, which is coming by default. Let us see. We will just make it a little bit brighter. Okay, now let us see how we can use this VWAP for our trading. Okay, this is our opening candle, right? So we have these levels are our 15 minutes high and low, and this is our VWAP line. So once this criteria has been met, what we need to be looking is the stock price should fall below VWAP line, right? And we should not be hurrying and taking the trade immediately. A lot of people jump saying that okay, open equal to high, my criteria is met and the stock price also has fallen below the VWAP line. We don't need to do that. Instead, let the price structure fall below VWAP line and again take a retracement above VWAP line, and then next once it is breaching once again for the second time, right? Let the price breach the VWAP line and close below VWAP line. That time we will be taking our trade for short at this point. This is our entry point. Okay, the next question is what will be my stop loss? Let us see what will be the stop loss. Stop loss, we are going to mark the retracement is there, right? Whatever the price has fallen below the VWAP line and again has retraced, whatever is the high of that retracement, we are going to mark that as stop loss. As you can see, the retracement has been exactly till the open level of our day. So this is our stop loss. Above this is our stop loss. Okay, so what can be a target? So this is where our risk reward ratio we have to consider. For this particular intraday strategy, what I have derived is 1:1.5 risk reward ratio is most beneficial in intraday trading. So let me mark that and show you how it works. So let me select the tool for short position and mark it exactly at our entry point. Friends, if we are able to see, the risk reward ratio is marked as 1 by default. We will change it to 1:1.5. Okay, so this is exactly our risk reward ratio. If you can see, our target has been met. Stop loss is for 3.8 points and target is for 5.7 points. Okay friends, so this was our short trade. Let's now quickly see how to take long trade using this same strategy. For that, we are going to use a separate scanner. Hey friends, if this is the first time you are visiting our Trade Facts YouTube channel, please do subscribe to our channel for more such contents on intraday, positional and other trading concepts. And please do like this video and comment and share what is the next strategy that you want to learn from this channel. And please do share this channel link with your friends and family. Okay friends, now we are going to see how to take long trades within intraday using yet another scanner. Just make sure that you have selected Nifty 50 in this drop down and click on plus and type open and then equals low. So this scanner is for scanning bullish trades within intraday, right? Let's run the scan and see the results. Okay, so these are the results: Bajaj, Finserv and Grasim Industries. Let's go back to our technical chart and see how these stocks can be taken for intraday trading. Okay, when we come to the day's first candlestick, let us see the opening level. Okay, so this is the opening level and it has not breached the low. So this suits our intraday trading. So let's mark the low and high of the first 15 minutes candle. Now we will switch over to 5 minutes chart. Let me enable the VWAP. Let's see how it has fared within intraday. Okay friends, so this is our 5 minutes chart and this is the opening candle that we have marked. So as we discussed earlier, right, so we will not be taking the trade as soon as the price breaks above VWAP line. So we will be waiting for the price to come below the VWAP line and then again retracement. So this is the exact point where we are facing the candle breaching and closing below VWAP line and then again retracing it back. So this is the zone that we will be make an entry. Let's mark it. In this case friends, the stop loss is very much less and that is the lowest swing of the retracement of the price. So low of this candle can be marked as stop loss. Now we will mark our target. Let me mark the entry at this point, and as you see the risk reward ratio is 1. We will change it to 1:1.5. Okay friends, so this is our risk reward ratio 1:1.5. If you are able to see, the target has been achieved quite easily. Fine friends, so these were our strategies for taking long trade and short trade within intraday using a simple open equal to high and open equal to low scanners, right? So I will meet you soon with yet another strategy. Till then, bye, take care, be safe.